good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are doing a custom wine bottle. Do a custom label and we're gonna put some glitter around the bottle as well to make it so cutesy. Very demure. Anyways, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. Hey guys, so I'm actually on my laptop and I made this label that I wanna put on the bottle. So I want to cover this Stella Rose label here. To put it on the bottle, I'm going to use sticker paper. So I'm going to print this out on sticker paper. But before I do that, I do need to size my label here. So I'm going to just take my tape measure to measure the label here, just to make sure we can cover that all the way up. About 5.1 by say 3.1. I just want to make my image slightly bigger when I print this out. And I am going to print it out on sticker paper. Now that you got it all printed out on your sticker paper, you can either take your paper cutter or your scissors and just cut out your image. Now that I got that all cut out, I can then just take off the backing and place my image onto the bottle. Now, if you wanted to keep the bottle like this, you could. It's just a cute little label that you can put on a wine bottle to customize. But you know me, I want to be a little bit extra and I want to put glitter on the entire bottle. To lay the glitter down, I am going to be using some Mod Podge and some extra fine glitter. And then I am going to lay down some parchment paper so I'm not getting the glitter everywhere, that I can just quickly pick up and pour back into the glitter bottle. All you're going to do is just take a brush and your Mod Podge and wipe the entire bottle where you want the glitter to stick, making sure we're not getting our label because we don't want any glitter on our label. Don't be shy to apply Mod Podge. This apply is a good thick coat because you want your glitter to stick. And then just take your glitter and put all over that Mod Podge. So this is after the first coat. You can see in some spots it's little see-through, so we are going to apply a second coat, but I need this to dry just a little bit before I go ahead and apply more Mod Podge and put a little bit more glitter on it. There we have it. We have a very cute, very demure wine bottle. Cute little glitter. Only thing that I'm going to do now to seal it off is spray a little bit of clear coat on it. So I don't want the glitter to kind of shed off if I, pick it up. But I do have to wait for it to dry. Let me know what you guys think down below. A cute, easy DIY. Cute for an anniversary gift, birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, anything. Super cute. So you can do any bottle. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure to smash that like button, comment, subscribe. As always, stay positive. And I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.